Hi, welcome to the YouTube video. Tiger.
I was making a scab.
I got my friends right there.
No, you can't show our faces.
She's okay.
She's not.
Tiger.
Alright, we don't show faces.
They show just their necks. That's it. Except Tiger. Tiger is number one. Who's number one? Ow!
Bring the camera closer here, girl.
Look at that face. Let's see Tiger running around.
No, he's lazy.
Of course he is. Him's just a big humble love.
Hooah! I'm gonna do some stretches with y'all. Hooah! 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 Hooah!
Doesn't look like he's enjoying that.
Yeah, obviously. Okay, now let's do some sit-ups.
Actually, you showed your face. Your face.
I know. Oh, wah, 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 wah. Okay, ow. Never mind.
Run, Tiger, run.
Run. Lazy butt.
His tail's so
You fired!
His tail's so I didn't show you. Go get it. Stop. I want to see him play. Let's see him play. Go Tigs. No. Tiger is not. Oh, no, he was supposed to be running. Go play.
We keep it in here.
No, my pants over here. It's covered. Yeah, they don't like showing faces. Well, they can't. Riley can because she had a YouTube channel, but she just doesn't want to.
No.
Riley, be honest. You were in your brother's YouTube channel.
No, I wasn't.
His
No.
YouTube videos.
No, I wasn't.
You had your own YouTube channel before. I'm showing the feet.
Stop it, Madison.
My feet. Big toe. I'm just weird. Bye. Tiger, say bye. Tiger.